Thanks to a recent update, you can now import custom fonts directly into LumaFusion without using any third-party apps. Here's how.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
Tap your Safari icon from the dock and proceed to the website dafont.com. Here I am on the home page. I'll leave a link in the description below. Tap in the search box and begin typing the name of the font you are looking for. In this case, I'm looking for a font called Bubblegum. The one I want is the first one listed. Choose as many fonts as you like and repeat the following steps for each font. Tap on the download button once. Tap download and the font will be downloaded to the Files app. Look in the Downloads folder. Once you've chosen all the fonts you want, close Safari and open up the Files app. Navigate to the Downloads folder on iCloud Drive. You will find all of your downloaded fonts here as zip files. Tap the zip file for the font that you want to download. In my case, bubblegum.zip. You will see a blue file folder appear. Tap on the blue file folder with the same name as the font you want to download. Tap on the font file, the one on the left. Just like in previous versions, you'll be taken to a page like this. Tap the share icon in the upper right hand corner. Swipe over and tap on the More icon, the one with the 3 dots. Scroll down and then tap on Open in LumaFusion. LumaFusion will open automatically. You will see the last project you're working on. When you see this dialog box, the font has been added successfully. Tap OK. And you can now use the font. Tap once in the upper left-hand corner to bring up the menu. Select Titles. When you do, choose any title and drag it into the main timeline. Double tap your title to edit it. Tap once where it says Your Text Here. Then tap on the font selector. The font selection window will appear. Unlike in previous versions, you can now search for a font by name. I want to use the font that I just added, so I'll start typing Bubblegum. There it is. I'll tap on it to select it. And the font has been changed to Bubblegum. Keep watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next video.